Corinne is a form teacher of 2 classes of 30 students each in secondary school. She is also the teacher in charge of the soccer team, consisting of 20 students. As a responsible teacher, she wants to provide monthly updates to the parents. This will be a good time to do so because it has been a month since the Meet the Parents session. On the way to school, Corinne takes out her mobile phone and starts up the CHER application. After logging into the system, Corinne is able to view all her form classes, CCA groups, and her progress for monthly updates for each of the groups. She has previously updated all her groups and is left with Class 3A to update. She proceeds to start the monthly updates for Class 3A. The first student, Albert Ang's page, is brought up with his profile details such as his age and class, as well as the option to assess his performance measures. Corinne proceeds to assess his performance, such as his attitude and behavior. After rating Albert, Corinne includes a comment that Albert is a helpful student. After that is done, Corinne assesses the next student, Ashley Leong, and the rest of the class. In a couple of minutes, she completes all 30 updates for the students of Class 3A and navigates back to the home page. Later, Corinne remembers that there will be extra class next week for Class 3A students. She decides to notify the parents about this. She navigates to the calendar page and proceeds to add an event to the calendar. She begins by entering extra class as the title of the event. After which, she inputs 15 November 2014 as the event start date and 1 PM as the event start time. She proceeds to enter 15 November 2014 as the event end date and 6:30 PM as the event end time. Finally, she enters in the location as Classroom 3. And the description, please bring along your workbook to inform parents. Next, she includes all the students of Class 3A. After filling in the details, the event shows up in an updated calendar. On the other end, Jane, the parent of Albert, is currently in the meeting. During a short break, Jane receives a notification and opens up the CHER application and sees a notification regarding her son. She selects Albert's profile to view his performance, such as his latest feedback and a chart showing his overall performance. After that, she goes into the calendar page to find out more about the school events. The application displays 2 new upcoming events for Albert Ang, Sports Day and Extra Class. She's interested to find out more about the Sports Day, so she selects on the event name to see the details such as the date, time, location, and description. Satisfied with what she seeks to know, she closes her application and continues her work.